discuss about option Greeks and all other factor which keeps on changing the premium here and there. So in the last session we discussed about the open interest, the basics of case future, options activities. We also understood the intrinsic value and time value. So now let's focus to the next subject and master the trading activity of the option system. So guys, my name is Chandan Tapadia, technical and derivatives analyst. I'm in the industry from last 1 decade, having the key competency on the reading of technical and derivatives data, good understanding to predict the expiry setup, regular guest on all the media including the print, TV. So again, I'm here to share the interesting topic that is all about the option pricing. So here we begin. So guys, the option Greeks describes its various risk parameters, and these parameter influences the option pricing. There are 5 Greeks: delta, gamma, vega, theta, rho. So these 5 are the combination for the reason of change in the option premium. If you talk in layman language, the option premium moves up or down just because of 3 factors. One is the underlying price, second is the time, and third is the volatility. But in terms of Greeks, it's all about delta, gamma, theta, vega, and rho. If I talk about delta, that will combination of spot price and the stop price, strike price. So delta is all about the underlying. If the underlying price moves up or moves down, the delta change. So we need to understand that what is the delta of that particular strike, and it is said that particular option moves because of the change in delta and other Greek letters. While vega is all about the volatility, you must be knowing that volatility is an important part of derivatives trading and mainly into the option segment. Higher the volatility, the volatile swings are likely to be there. Lower the volatility, the choppy movement will be there in the market. So similarly in the option also, if volatility is higher, the options premium remains higher because writers charges more premium to the buyers. Then the important part is the theta, time to maturity, time to expiry. As the time proceeds towards the expiry, the premium decays because the time decays. That is all about the theta factor. And then rho, rate of interest. Because when we are working with finance, the time has, the money has its own value. So because of the money value, the interest also, the rho also works as an important task, but there is the hardly any major change in the premium because of the rho. So key factors, as I mentioned in the layman language, in the practical point of view, underlying price, volatility, but in other factors, spot, strike, volatility, time to expiry, and then finally rate of interest.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.